Hi guys, it's Milton Andrade again, your local neighborhood realtor. I'm here in Shenandoah, just 2 blocks from the historic Calle Ocho, in a beautiful mid-century home. My latest listing at 1772 Southwest 10th Street. It's a beautiful 3-bedroom, 3-bath home, over 2,000 square feet. No detail has been untouched. Follow me. So notice as you walk into the home, you enter the foyer. This front room is great for relaxing, greeting your guests, having some tea, or reading a book. But really, we have these amazing windows. You bring in all the natural light and the beauty of Miami. So follow me as we enter into the living room. So the living room right now is being used as a family room. This is where they get together, watch their TV, enjoy, entertain. But this could be a dining room. There's a lot of different possibilities. But the best part is the kitchen. So follow me. So this kitchen is oversized. It was originally 2 rooms. They decided to really modernize it and give it a full entertainment room experience. So we've got this huge countertop that seats easily 6 people. And it's just great for entertainment. New cabinets, soft close, all illuminated, top of the line appliances. This is really where you're gonna have the most fun. This is the best part in the house where you're gonna spend the most of your time. Is if you're like me, any party you have, you can't get people out of the kitchen. Everybody's always hanging out here. And so this place was designed for that. Now with a split bedroom layout, one of the nicest things is the principal bedroom. It's far away from everything. So follow me through here as we pass through the bar area, which is great for the indoor, the outdoor, but is a nice buffer from the master bedroom to the rest of the house. So as we enter the principal bedroom, you'll notice all of the light. It's got a nice view of the yard, great high ceilings, its own mini split to really just cool this room instead of the entire house. Full bathroom with shower, a large walk-in closet. This used to be an apartment on its own. Now it's the principal bedroom. Now as we flow through the kitchen to the opposite side of the house, we enter into the bedroom areas. We've got a brand new bathroom, down to the studs. Everything is brand new in there, including the plumbing. And now we have the second bedroom, which was originally the master, but now is the second bedroom. It's the child's bedroom. It's got a beautiful view, amazing large window that shows you the beautiful lush backyard. And as we head this way, we see our second bathroom, which is in great condition, a little more colorful. And then we have the large washer and dryer area over here, and then we head to the third bedroom, which is currently being used as an office, but it does have a Murphy bed. Best part of the house is yet to come. Follow me to the yard, I'll meet you there. Now welcome to the best part of the house. This is where the indoor really marries the outdoor. We've got this large covered pergola that just has so much seating room. You can just really use your imagination to enjoy and entertain out here. We've got these large, lush tropical plants that were planted single-handedly by the current owner that really gives you lots of shade and privacy. But follow me and you'll see this yard just keeps going. We've got covered areas over here. We've got a volleyball court set up, but this was permitted and approved for a pool. So you could definitely put a large pool in this space and check out this lush greenery. Privacy for days. So come check out this home, 1772 Southwest 10th Street, 3 bedrooms, 3 baths, over 2,000 square feet. You're gonna love it.